Joke with me, cause I catch you sprung off in the springtime. Fuck all your free time, you don't need no me time. That's you and me time. We be getting so loud, that dick make my soul smile. That dick made me so damn proud.
Briana Marie, the cut crease queen, yeah. You got what you need, yeah. You know what I mean, yeah. Briana Marie, the go-to stylist. Treat you like a diamond. Everything is love with Briana Marie.
Camera doesn't have any more memory, so I have to record on my phone, y'all. So this is the look we came up with. I really think it came out so cute. Okay, but I definitely want y'all to go ahead and shop Nova Beauty down in the description right below. I can't keep having this happen, y'all. So y'all, I did go ahead and I lined my lip with Nova Beauty on my Way gel liner, and then I went ahead and took Secret lip gloss, y'all, to top it off. These are the ones I paired. But yeah, y'all, I just really want y'all to see this look and exactly how I did it. So if y'all want to see how I achieved this look, y'all know what to do. Keep on watching. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's me, girl Briana Marie, and you're tuning in to a Nova Beauty tutorial, y'all. So I'm going to use some of this stuff from Nova Beauty, y'all, to create this look with. So let's hop right into it. I'm going to first start off by doing my brows, and y'all already know I have to use the Slim Line Brow from Nova Beauty. It's their pencil, and before that I'm just going to gel my brows down, put the powder on so that we won't have no oily brows, because we definitely don't want that. We're going to dust this powder off and we're going to get right into the brows. The first one that I like to use when it comes to the brows is black. So I'm going to take the black pencil and I'm going to start drawing a line towards the back. Okay, so make sure you are making this line as slim and crispy as possible, but it's okay because Nova Beauty is going to do it for you. That's why it's called the Slim Line Brow Pencil. So y'all, I am basically now drawing a curve from the top to the bottom line, and I'm going to for the end. And I love my tails to be a little longer, only because I love a sharp tail. So take the black towards the back. Ooh, I like that. Take the back towards the black towards the back and fill it in. Now we're going to leave the front bare because we're going to add another pencil towards the front, and that's what's called a ombre brow. If y'all haven't checked out Nova Beauty pencils, go ahead and do so now because they fine. So now it's time to add the brown in the front, and I'm going to add a line going towards the back, towards the black, a ruled towards the back, and connecting it right into the black pencil. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the top as well. In the front, I'm going to do small strokes, and we're done with filling in the brow. So now I'm going to take some concealer and clean this up, and I'm going to do that for the top as well. But I like to do a lighter concealer towards the back because it just makes the brow bone pop, y'all. Y'all gonna know a difference, okay? Y'all gonna notice that difference because when you add that lighter concealer towards that arch area, it's gonna make everything pop. Trust me when I say this. I do have a brow tutorial as well, so y'all can go check that out too. And in the front, I like to do a concealer that is like a little lighter than me, probably like 1 or 2 shades lighter, but not too light. I want to keep it at a I want to keep it at a tone that's kind of my complexion, but just a tad bit lighter so that I can see that sculpt. And here's the brows, y'all. Tell me these brows didn't eat, because I know you lying. They ate, period. Go check out Nova Beauty Slimline Brow Pencil, and let's get into these eyes. So I'm going to start adding my base to my eyes, and then I'm going to let it dry for a second and blend this out, y'all. I only say this because with any base, you just want to let it sit and then start to blend it out, because what's going to happen, y'all? I always say it. It's going to come back on your brush, and it's going to be a hot disaster, okay? Yes, a hot disaster. But y'all, make sure y'all let it dry a little bit and then start patting it out. It's time for the fun part, y'all. Let's get into it. Okay, so I'm going to start off by adding a green, y'all. And we're going to add this green all the way into the middle of the eyes, y'all. I love this color. And I just wanted to do a different color today and incorporate some colors from the Nova Beauty palette. So on top of this dark green, I'm going to add a lime green. And then we're going to just basically go back and forth for each color until everything is blended. Okay, y'all, so what I'm doing now is basically just going back and forth, like I said in the last audio clip, and blending this green all the way up into the lime green. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the second color and basically do the same thing, but going down into the green so that it won't be that harsh line. Y'all see why I'm blending it? So it won't be a harsh line right there. So you're going to go back in with each color. And that's why I say that it's important to go back and forth with every color or any color that you have went in with, so that everything can look seamless. You don't want everything to be just there. Just make sure it's seamless. Okay, so now I am going to start cutting this crease, y'all. I'm cutting this crease with some wipes, y'all, and I am going to also cut it with some micellar water with the Q-tips. But now I'm going to start cutting this crease, y'all. And when I tell y'all my cuts be vicious, they be vicious, okay? Y'all already know. Y'all should know. And if y'all are new subscribers, welcome. And if y'all are watching and haven't subscribed yet and haven't watched for a minute, what are y'all doing? Y'all need to press that subscribe button, okay? It is totally free, and you can unsubscribe whenever you want. But why would you? Period. So y'all, I am going to clean up this cut and actually wipe out the excess product that I do not want on the edges, y'all, because what's going to happen, it's going to leave this like stain, and I don't want that stain right there. So I just basically try to take off as much as I can. And yeah, so now I'm going to take this light green and I'm just going to fill it in towards the end. I'm taking this beautiful nude to set that nude that I laid down and cut the crease with. So I'm laying this down and I am basically just setting it. The color that I'm using is Dream, and this is out of the Nova Beauty palette. This is the bronze eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna go back into that bronze palette and I'm gonna grab Frontin and I'm gonna put it right on top of that orangey color that I laid down. I didn't really care for it. I really wanted a brown, and that's exactly what I was going for, this color right here. So we have Dream in the front and Frontin right in between all of these colors, y'all. So I'm going to go back and forth and blend everything together. Alright, y'all, so I went ahead and added this liner, but y'all, I had to add some bling to this. So I went ahead and like kind of customized the rhinestones on the table, only because I cannot see. Y'all already know I have this thing called keratoconus in my eyes. So I have to like basically map it out first and then go ahead and put them on my eyes. So this really made the look come to life, y'all, and I really love how this turned out, y'all. Y'all, so these are the eyes and I love them. I am in love. So we are now going to start the face. I did go ahead and moisturize off camera, and now I'm going to take my bronzer stick, well, contour stick, and we're going to basically do the foundation method that I be doing all the time. And yeah, y'all, just watch me work. Y'all, so now that the face is done, I went ahead and added some shimmer to the inner corners of the eyes. Going to finish off my face with blush, y'all, and I am going to go ahead and also, dang, I just contoured that nose. Okay, that was quick. And I'll contour my nose, and then I'm adding some lashes, y'all. These lashes aren't too big, but I feel like if I had bigger lashes, it would have made it pop like whoa. But these are smaller lashes, and I really like the way that these look. Okay, it came out bomb. So y'all, I am going to add some paint in the waterline. I'm going to go ahead and take Narania from the bronze palette from Nova Beauty, and I'm going to put this right on the lower lash line, y'all. It's raining, y'all. I feel so good. Ooh. So y'all, I am going to go ahead and finish this off by adding some mascara. Get out your nose, girl, to the lower lash line, but I'm going to buff it out first. So now I finished the face off and added my lip. The lip that I added was Nova Beauty Secret and the On My Way gel liner. Get to go shop Nova Beauty and meet me on the outro. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this tutorial. I hope that y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And don't forget to go check out Nova Beauty in the description bar below, because they have some nice items y'all like. I should definitely go check them out because they have some bomb things. If y'all not a dramatic person, they have some bomb lip glosses. They have pretty neutral palettes that y'all can work with. Of course, y'all can add colors to them, but these are basically really nice palettes that you could take on trips with y'all. And then the lip glosses and lip liners and just everything is really bomb. So yeah, y'all. But until the end, don't forget to press that like button, because what it's gonna do is gonna get it to the page that everybody sees the videos like y'all used to do. Subscribe if y'all made it to the end and y'all notice that y'all haven't subscribe, share this video, and I'm gonna see y'all on my next tutorial. I can have my nail because it's messy. Bye y'all.